How to redeem a GameStop gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can redeem your GameStop gift card. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem GameStop, which is a company that sells video games and many of the gaming equipments and products, it's very simple to do so. First of all, just go to GameStop.com and then make sure to sign in with your GameStop account. And then after that, you want to just choose the products that you want to buy and then just add them to your cart. And once you add the products to your cart, just click on the cart option from the top right of the screen, and then we're going to go to the option that says proceed to checkout. And once you go to proceed to checkout, it'll ask you to fill your delivery details depending upon which email or address of products that you chose. After that, in the payment section, you'll find the option that says add gift card or trade in credit. Just click on this option. Now here you simply want to enter your gift card number and then enter the pin of the gift card if necessary. Then just click on the apply button. Once you've done so, depending upon the value of that gift card, the gift card is going to be used to purchase this product right over here and then check out and place an order for this one. And that's all it takes to redeem and use your GameStop gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.